The Barclays app. How to register using your photo ID and a video selfie. You'll need a UK mobile number, your Barclays debit or credit card, and card PIN to register. Once you've downloaded the app from your App Store, tap I have a Barclays account to get started. Choose a passcode that can't be guessed easily. You'll need to enter the passcode twice to confirm it. For your security, never tell anyone your passcode. You can also use Face ID or your fingerprint to log in more securely. In this video, we'll show you how to switch on Face ID. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you're happy, tap to accept them. Select No if you haven't registered for the Barclays app on any other device. If you've registered before, see our video Already Registered for the app instead. Select your Barclays debit or credit card from the list. You'll then need to enter the 16-digit number shown on the front of your card. If you've opened your account recently, your card and card PIN will be sent to you separately in the post. This can take a few days, and you'll need both to register for the app. Tap Continue. Enter your mobile number. Tap Done. Then tap Continue. Enter again to confirm and tap Done. Followed by Continue. Once we have your details, we'll need to make sure it's you. Select Yes, I have photo ID so that we can confirm your identity. Next, choose the form of ID you'd like to use. You'll now need to take a photo of your ID. Tap OK, show me how. Then follow the steps on screen. When you're ready, tap Open Camera. Then, when the ID is in position and readable, tap here to take a photo or here to take a new one. We'll now need you to take a short video to make sure no one is impersonating you. Tap OK to begin. Position your face in the oval, then follow the instructions for the identity check. For example, you might need to say numbers out loud. Then select Next Step. You'll also need to turn your head towards your shoulder and back again. Then tap the Stop button. Now we know it's you. Enter your card PIN for the debit or credit card you entered. And that's it. You're registered on the app. Now you can explore the app and check your push notification settings. These will make sure you see important updates that are relevant to you. To log in with your face or fingerprint, switch on Face ID or Touch ID in your device settings. Select More on your home page, then go to Settings. In the Login and Security section, select Face ID. That's it. You can now switch on Face ID to log in to the app.